Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert a PDF file to a Word file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor, select File option and select here Open or Computer or Cloud to Go and so on. Also you can select Add Place. I have already opened this PDF file. Now click on this Convert option, this menu bar, and here you will find this MS Office option and click on this down arrow. Here you can convert 97, 2003 or update to Word. Click on this Word option and select your folder, this one, and also you can rename this file if you want. Now click on this setting option and here you can convert only specific pages and it's all page range, and you can convert this Word file without image, without comments if you uncheck here. Also you can retain page layout or retain following text, and recognition setting you can keep images, scanning or convert editable document. I will remain all of them same default. Now select OK and select save, desktop, Word files, and see this PDF file now convert to a Word file. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.